Hi, I'm Jason Bazron, Terrebonne Parish President. Hurricane season is upon us, and it's important to start preparing now. Here are a few things you can start with. Where do you plan to be when a hurricane strikes? How will you communicate if cell towers are down? Take time to meet with your family and make sure everyone in your household knows and understands what will happen in an emergency. Assemble disaster supplies. Don't wait until the storm is in the Gulf to start building your emergency kit. Stock up on supplies while shelves are still full. Pick up extra batteries, bottled water, flashlights, and enough non-perishable food to last for 3 days. Strengthen your home. Trim weak or damaged trees on your property. If you have storm shutters, test them out to make sure they work. You can also use sheets of plywood to cover windows. Just make sure you have enough and that they haven't been damaged since the last time you used them. Hurricane season can be stressful, but taking action today will ensure you are well prepared if disaster strikes. Together, we can be Terrebonne prepared.